As part of our OEM services, we at FILPAL are capable of providing the state-of-the-art CNC machining options. Our machining house has technologies consisting of CNC milling and turning machines. On top of that, we can also perform wire cutting, sheet metal laser cut, and EDM. We are strong in exterior material extrusions, forging, and die casting for different materials such as aluminium, brass, copper, and stainless steel. High precision machining with tolerance up to 5 microns is our competitive edge, which eases the final assembly. We also offer silver and gold plating services in a control room environment as a one-stop manufacturing solution. Our software simulation tool allows us to simulate real-time milling operations. This allows us to identify potential milling errors and optimize production costs and time. Quality is our utmost priority. Our process is certified by ISO 9001 and we practice TQ-RDCE in all our products and services. We believe in providing quality services with short lead time, and with our team of experienced engineers, we are able to provide that. We would like to partner with you. Send us your inquiry at sales@filpal.com or visit our website for more info. Thank you.